derivatives of hydrocarbons. From the name, the halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons, it means hydrocarbon attached with halogen. Plus halogen, then the name is halohydrocarbons. The compound which having halogen atom with hydrocarbon or carbon and hydrogen is known as halohydrocarbons. Classification. Of halohydrocarbon. There are two types of halohydrocarbon. First is aliphatic. The second one is aromatic. In aliphatic, the three types of halohydrocarbons are present. First one is haloalkanes. Second one is haloalkenes. And the third one is haloalkynes. And the second one is aromatic. There are two types of aromatic halohydrocarbons. Number one is nuclear. And number second is side chain aromatic halohydrocarbons. First we study the haloalkanes. Haloalkanes are the compound which having carbon-carbon single bond with halogen atom. It means, for example, CH3Cl means this is methane and this is chlorine. One hydrogen atom of methane is replaced by halogen atom. Another example is CH2Cl2. It means two hydrogen atom is replaced by chlorine or halogen. These compounds are known as haloalkanes. Haloalkane shows chain isomerism and position isomerism. Second, now we study the preparation, how to prepare haloalkanes. Preparation of haloalkanes. Firstly, we prepared haloalkanes by halogenation. Halogenation of alkanes. Halogenation of alkanes takes place by sunlight. If methane reacts with two atoms of chlorine in presence of sunlight, then it gives chloromethane, CH3Cl, and the one hydrogen atom is replaced by chlorine and another hydrogen atom is attached with chlorine, HCl is liberated. If we again react chloromethane with chlorine, CH3Cl plus Cl2 in presence of sunlight, then it gives dichloromethane, CH2Cl2 plus HCl. Now dichloromethane is again reacts with chlorine in presence of photon H nu, then it gives CHCl3, trichloromethane. This trichloromethane another reacts with chlorine in presence of photon, then it gives tetrachloromethane, which having chemical formula CCl4. In this series, the second preparation of haloalkanes by electrophilic addition of alkenes named ethene reacts with HBr, hydrogen bromide. Then one hydrogen is attached with CH2 and the bromine is attached with this CH2. Then the compound which is formed is CH3 CH2Br, which is haloalkanes named ethyl bromide or bromoethane. Now the third preparation takes place by alcohols. If alcohols like methanol reacts with hydrogen chloride, then in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, then it gives haloalkanes named CH3Cl, and the alcohol reacts with hydrogen and liberate water H2O. Now fourth and the last preparation by halide exchange method. In this series, one halide is reacts with another halide, like CH3I reacts with HCl, then in presence of AlCl3, then it gives chlorine reacts with methane and hydrogen and iodine is liberated CH3Cl plus HI. Now physical properties of haloalkanes. The lower haloalkanes are liquid and the higher haloalkanes are solid in state. The melting point and boiling point of haloalkanes are much higher than their parent alkanes. The increasing order of haloalkanes stability is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Means fluorine is more stable than chlorine, chlorine is more stable than bromine, bromine is more stable than iodine. And this alkyl group like ethyl, methyl, butyl, propyl. The chemical properties of haloalkanes. First one is substitution reactions. In substitution reaction, many reactions are takes place, like substitution by hydroxyl group, substitution by alkoxy group, substitution by alkaline group, substitution by cyano group. First we studied the substitution by hydroxyl group. RX means CH3 Cl reacts with KOH in aqueous form, gives methyl alcohol or methanol, and the KCl is liberated in this equation. Second one is substitution by alkoxy group. Then CH3Cl reacts with NaOCH3, then ethers is formed, CH3OCH3 plus NaCl. here sodium chloride named salt, common salt is liberated. Third one is substitution by alkyl group. Alkyl group means the group which having triple bond between carbon and carbon. Cl plus NaC triple bond C R C C2H5, then it form CH3 C triple bond C C2H5 plus NaCl. Then another reaction is substitution by cyano group. In this reaction, substitution takes place by cyano group. Reacts with KCN, then CH3CN plus KCl is liberated, and the CH3CN name is cyanomethane. Or methyl cyanide. The another reaction which takes place named elimination reaction. When chloroethane reacts with or eliminated by alcoholic KOH, then it gives alkene named ethene plus KCl plus H2O. Water and potassium chloride is liberated. Another reaction is reduction reactions. When hydrogen is reduced in these reactions, reduction in by H2 in presence of metal catalyst. Then it takes place CH3 CH2 Br plus H2 in presence of sodium. Then it gives CH3 CH3 plus HBr. It means parent alkene is formed. Second is the reduction with hydrogen iodide. Plus HBI, then CH3 CH3 plus I2. It means another alkene is formed. Third reaction is the reaction with metal. In that reaction, magnesium metal is used. Then R X plus Mg. Then RMgX is formed, which is named as Grignard reagent. CH3 Cl plus Mg. Then CH3 MgCl, which is named as Grignard reagent. When a magnesium having both sides, each side CH3 and Cl, then it's named as Grignard reagent. Now, use of haloalkanes. Haloalkanes are the great importance in organic synthesis. They are widely used in the synthesis of a large variety of organic compounds. Ethyl bromide is used for preparation of barbituric estrus.